Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to lose weight fast while protecting your health. Many people want to lose weight fast, but doing it the wrong way can damage your health. In this video, you'll learn how to lose weight quickly and safely using proven habits. Weight loss happens when you burn more calories than you consume. This is called a calorie deficit, and it's the foundation of all fat loss. Reducing sugar and ultra-processed foods is one of the fastest ways to lose weight. These foods spike insulin and promote fat storage. Protein keeps you full longer and helps preserve muscle mass. Eating enough protein naturally reduces hunger and cravings. Drinking water before meals can reduce appetite and calorie intake. Hydration also supports metabolism and digestion. You don't need extreme workouts. Daily walking and simple movement can burn fat and improve consistency. Poor sleep and chronic stress increase fat storage hormones. Quality sleep is essential for fast and sustainable weight loss. Skipping meals, extreme dieting, and overtraining slow your metabolism. Fast results come from smart habits, not punishment. Healthy weight loss can start within days, but real results come from consistency over weeks. Fast does not mean reckless. Losing weight fast is possible when you focus on nutrition, movement, and recovery. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it.